Welcome back. Today I'm going to cover up this plot of land back here. I've been trying to plow it for the past month and it's rained every single day. It's supposed to also rain every day for the next 2-3 weeks. By then the ground's going to be frozen. I won't be able to till it. Normally I would cover this up with a tarp to try and keep the ground dry, but tarps are really expensive and I'm cheap. So I got these drop cloths. 2 of them, $5 a piece, so $10 for 2 tarps, a roll of duct tape, some poles to shove it into the ground so it doesn't blow away, and the tarp I was looking at was a 20 by 20. It's about $65. So we're gonna set it up like this, see how things go, check it again in a few days, and hopefully I can till this thing up. Alright, got that down. It's a couple feet short, so I remeasured and made it 22 by 22, so I've got a couple feet missing over here, but I may tackle that later. I may go ahead and just leave it right here because a couple feet of mud mixed in is not going to hurt anything. So that's what we've got for now. I'm going to pop another couple sticks in there, hold it the rest of the way down, and we'll check it, see if it dries out. Good morning. It's just a couple days after Christmas. It's nice and gloomy out. Just warm enough for me to plow this up. I pulled the plastic off a couple days ago to let it air out just a little bit. So today we're going to find out if it's too muddy to plow or not. Hopefully it's not. We'll get it plowed up, get some seed sown for our overwinter cover crop, and be ready to plant in the spring. Let's go. Oh yeah, before I forget, that is a Sunjo electric tiller. My gas tiller took a crap, so I can't use it. So instead of using gas, I use electricity, which is created by gas. In a way, it all works out. Alright, we got our first pass done. That was on the highest setting on the tiller there. Took about 45 minutes. But now I gotta clean out some of the grass that's wrapped around my tines, lower the blades a little bit, do another pass, and then we'll be ready to get it seeded. One of my biggest pet peeves is grass. Having to till that crap up. It's a pain in the neck, especially when you have the grass that just grows and grows in big long lines. I'm not sure what it is, but yeah, it sucks. It sucks hard. Trying to get that stuff up, wraps all around the tines. It's all right though. We'll get rid of it eventually. So let's go do some adjustments and finish that out. All right, well, it looks like it's just started sprinkling. It wasn't supposed to rain till tomorrow. So I'm going to try and rip right through this. I've already cleaned out my tines. I've got my deck lowered. Well, it's not really a deck, but the blades are lowered. So we're going to hopefully knock this out in about half the time it took us the last pass, because we already got the top knocked out. Let's go. that does it for now. Shaved off about 10 minutes. I've still got one more pass to make. I'm gonna go diagonally, but I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. It's lunchtime. I'm gonna get the rake. Sorry about that. I'm gonna get the rake, the light rake off as much grass as I can. Then I'll go across in my diagonal, and then we'll call it a day. All right, that wraps up another episode of Brent's Backyard Redneckery. Today, we've shown and learned how to plow your new garden. We'll go crossways and then another way the other direction. That way we churn up all of the dirt and mix it all together and go in different directions. You can go diagonally as well if you want to take that extra step, or you can just leave it at the 2 passes. I would recommend at least 2, not just 1, because just going the one way, you still have all that extra dirt there and the grass and everything you still need to get out of the ground. It still takes a lot of work to kill off all those grass roots, and you may still have to dig some up even after you're finished plowing. So anyway, hope you guys learned something. If you did, be sure to like the video, share it with your friends, tell everybody about it. Come back again next time. I'll tell you what you need to do.